Understanding low pressure surge. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might come across in various contexts. Low pressure surge. This phrase combines two important concepts that are commonly used in both everyday language and specific fields such as meteorology and engineering. Let's break it down together and understand what it means and how you can use it. Low pressure surge is a compound noun, which means it's a noun made up of two or more words that function as a single unit. Let's look at each component. Low pressure. This term refers to an area where the atmospheric pressure is lower than that of the surrounding areas. In meteorology, it's often associated with bad weather, like rain or storms, because it indicates that air is rising, cooling, and condensing into clouds. Surge. A surge is a sudden increase or powerful forward movement. In general, it signifies a rapid change from one state to another. When combined, low pressure surge typically describes a sudden increase in the intensity or the area covered by a low pressure system. This can be related to weather phenomena, leading to storms or changes in weather patterns. However, the phrase can also be used metaphorically in other contexts to describe any situation where there's a sudden or noticeable increase in activity or intensity following a period of low activity or energy. To fully grasp the meaning of low pressure surge, let's look at some examples in different contexts. Meteorology. The weather forecast warns of a low pressure surge coming our way, with expectations of heavy rainfall and strong winds. Everyday language. After the holidays, the company experienced a low pressure surge in productivity as employees returned refreshed and ready to tackle their projects. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe both a literal meteorological event and metaphorically to describe a situation in business or life. Now that we understand what a low pressure surge is, let's practice using it in a sentence. Meteorologists are monitoring the low pressure surge in the Atlantic, predicting it might turn into a tropical storm. The project team felt a low pressure surge of motivation after the successful completion of the initial phase. And that's a wrap on low pressure surge. We hope this video has illuminated this interesting phrase for you and shown how English can use specific terms to describe complex concepts or phenomena. Whether you're talking about the weather or describing a sudden boost in energy or activity, low pressure surge is a versatile phrase worth adding to your vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together. Stay curious and keep learning.